If you're new to live streaming, you probably heard the term Twitch affiliate pop up, but have no freaking clue what it even means. Or you're wondering why you don't have subs or bits or cheering unlocked, or you don't know what that means either. But fear not, in this video, I'm gonna explain everything about Twitch affiliate and how to get it, so that way you can start growing your audience and making some money while streaming. If that sounds good to you, then drop a quick like on this video so other streamers can find this video, and let's head over to Twitch. So we're over on my Twitch channel, and you can see we got a little leaderboard here. We also have a goal for subs, a goal for bits, and you might be wondering to yourself, where did Cody get those panels right there? I actually made them myself, and I have the artistic ability of a second grader. But I made them using this new tool that I found called Cpaws, and they sponsored today's video, which is dope. But pretty much all I did was go over to their site, I created a new project, I clicked on the project, and then I navigated to this little star that says Cpaws Copilot, type in Twitch panel, and then they have so many different options that you can choose, but all you gotta do is pick it, and then I'm gonna drag it to the correct size, then I'm gonna add some text on the left, and then I'm just gonna pick from one of these cool little decorated ones here. I kind of like this one. This one's dope. Then I'm just gonna double click on it. Then I'm just gonna edit the text a little bit on the right hand side. And honestly, it looks like we're already done. So all you have to do is go to the top right corner, hit download, and you're done. Easy peasy. So if you guys want to try Cpaws for yourself, I'll leave a link in the description down below. But now that we're back on Twitch, you can notice that since I am a Twitch affiliate, you will notice that I have this little leaderboard in my chat. I also have some sub goals. I have a bit goal. I have a plus goal and all that fun stuff, which basically allows my viewers to donate to me using subscriptions or bits, which they can buy with their own money and cheer to my channel. But let's go over to a different channel that's not a Twitch affiliate to see the difference. If you've just started streaming, then your channel probably looks a lot like this one right here. There's no leaderboard in the chat. There's no option to cheer. There's no sub button and none of that fun stuff available for us here. And that's because we are not a Twitch affiliate on this channel. Now, what does Twitch affiliate even mean? All it means is that you have fulfilled a certain amount of requirements and you have unlocked all these monetization features, including ads and a bunch of other stuff. But let me actually show you how you can unlock it and what you actually unlock. So on your channel, what you're going to want to do is log into your Twitch account, go to the top right corner and click the little icon that you have, and then we're going to go to the creator dashboard. Once you're on this creator dashboard here, all you're going to want to do is go to that little analytics tab on the left hand side. And also, if you're on your phone, by the way, just go into Google and then type in desktop Twitch. I'll put that down below this video here, so that way you can just put that in Google and it should give you the same viewpoint that we're using on a computer. So just a heads up for you. But what you want to do is go to the analytics tab on the left hand side here. So click on that, and then we're going to go to achievements. So click on achievements. So once we're under the achievements tab, we're going to notice that there's a bunch of achievements here. Now, the one that we really want to focus on is this path to affiliate one. So we're going to click on that, and you'll notice in order to hit Twitch affiliate, you need to one, reach 50 followers, which is kind of hard, but the next ones are going to be a little bit more difficult, such as average 3 viewers. This is the most difficult one out of all of them, because if you stream to one person for 24 hours, then your average viewership is going to be extremely low, and trying to shift that is going to be hard. So streaming strategically is going to be a lot more beneficial for you. But reaching these goals, I'll mention at the end of the video, so I can help you out there later. But until then, let me explain the differences. So we have to hit 50 followers, which is kind of hard, average 3 viewers, which is the hardest, but then stream on 7 different days, that's pretty easy, and then stream for 8 hours total, that's also pretty easy because that's in your actual control. And then once you have all of these hit, you're going to be able to apply for Twitch affiliate, and there's going to be a little button that pops up, and then they're going to be able to accept or deny you. Majority of the time, they're going to accept you. The only reason that I would imagine they wouldn't accept you is if you have like inappropriate content. Most of you guys will be fine. Honestly, if there's one person that gets denied in the comments, I'm going to be shocked. So these are the milestones that you're going to have to hit in order to do that. But let me show what happens when you actually unlock Twitch affiliate and everything behind the scenes so you can get an idea of what to expect. So let's head back over to my other channel. So heading back over here, you can once again notice that we do have the leaderboard here. We got the goals. We have the option to cheer at the bottom here. But let's actually go to the top right corner, and we're going to go to the creator dashboard to see the differences. So as you can see, our creator dashboard does look a little different, but it's mainly the monetization tab here, because this is going to be majority of the stuff that you unlock, including some viewer reward stuff as well, like power-ups and channel points and emotes, but I'll go over that in more detail in a second. But let's start over with the ads section. We're going to click on ads, and then now you're going to have access to actually control the amount of ads that play on your video. This is relatively new, and I should probably make a video separately about this, but basically you get 55% of the net ad revenue share that run on your channel if you have at least 3 minutes per ads per hour. Now, if you have lower than that, you can do 30 seconds of ads per hour, but you're only going to get 30%. So it really depends on what you want for your channel. But basically, the nitty gritty is that you're just going to be able to control a little bit more things about the ads that that run on your channel. So moving on to the next section, we have bits and cheering. And essentially those are those little diamond things that you see pop up in chat. And basically 1 bit is equivalent to 1 US cent. So if you have 100 bits donated to you, you basically get $1. And so you can set your cheering stuff here, whereas the minimum bits amount to cheer, as well as a couple other things, as well as bit tier badges. So if someone donates, like, let's say, 1 bit, then they get this badge, 100 bits, they get this badge, so on and so forth. And you can edit what badges they have here using this edit button on the side. So moving on to the next section, we have the community tab, which basically you can control alerts for Hype Train and leaderboard. So that leaderboard that I showed you earlier, that thing above the chat, you can actually click on here and you can actually switch it between, do we want it the daily, the top weekly, top monthly, or top all time, or do we want the top cheers or top gifters? And so you can customize your leaderboard settings here just to give you a little bit more creativity for your channel. Then moving on to the subscriptions tab, this is a big one because this is one of the main income sources for Twitch streamers, and that's going to be subscriptions. So we have a bunch of different settings that we can do here. So we have subscriptions names, which basically means that you can set the name for tier 1, tier 2, tier 3. And basically the tiers don't really matter too much in terms of the person's getting the benefits because they're not really that much different. They basically are just going to be supporting you at different financial levels. So if they want to basically give you more money per month, then they can upgrade to tier 2 or tier 3. And there are differences. You can give more perks to certain tiers. So you can feel free to do that, including these select benefits as well, but that can go for all of them. And then you also have your subscriber badges as well, 1 month, 2 month, 3 month, so on and so forth. So that way they can kind of show off that they've been financially supporting you for X amount of time, which is kind of nice. So you can go and upload different flair there. We're gonna go back. And then also you can come up with subscriber emotes under the emotes page, which is under the viewer rewards over here. So we'll get to that in a second. But basically one of the coolest things about being a Twitch sub is that you can allow your subscribers to watch your content ad-free, because we all know that watching Twitch ads during a Twitch stream freaking sucks and it's so distracting. So one of the biggest incentives to actually support the people that you like is to sub to them, because then you can watch their content without being interrupted, because it's super annoying. So moving on to the viewer rewards, we have power-ups and channel points. Power-ups are like a relatively new-ish thing. Basically what they're going to do is you can click on the manage power-ups and community challenges, and basically they're just going to be different chat effects that they can put on. So message effects, they can make an emote big, or they can do like an on-screen celebration. So basically they're just different channel point rewards and other things like that. And I didn't really talk about channel points yet, but they're actually a very crucial part in building a community on Twitch, in my opinion. I think it adds a lot more interactivity, engagement between you and your audience, and it just keeps people more engaged. I have an entire video talking about channel points because they go a little more in depth, so I'll leave that in the top right corner. But basically the gist of it is that people can earn points just for watching your channel and watching your stream, and then they can spend it on different rewards that you set up here. So you can come up with your own, like posture check, or you can do sound effects or lurk or make me take a sip of water. They also come up with some default rewards, so that way if you're uncreative, you can also just use some of these, or you can just steal whatever other streamers are using that you like. And they have community challenges where they can pool their points together in order for you to do something, but you have to create the challenge yourself. So if you want to do like a cosplay or something like that, you're more than welcome to. Anyways, you can enable your channel points on this one right here, which I would highly recommend if you're a Twitch affiliate, as well as customizing your points display here. I call my channel points premium paw points, and I put a little ghost picture there, so you can feel free to edit that stuff there. Isn't that adorable? I think that's adorable. Anyways, moving on to the emote section under there, under viewer rewards, you can have your follower emotes, and these are free for all followers, but then you go into the subscriber emotes. And you remember how I said you have tier 1, tier 2, and tier 3 subs? Well, here's how you can give them extra benefits, by giving them extra emotes. So basically anyone that's a tier 2 sub or higher can use this emote, so that's super exclusive to them, and tier 3, so on and so forth. This is another way that you can financially incentivize people to basically go for tier 2 and tier 3, though I will say it is relatively rare for people to want to do that, and to be honest, I really don't blame them. That's completely up to the viewers, as well as the bits tier emote. So if they hit like 1,000 bits, 5,000 bits, they can also unlock these emotes to cheer on your channel. So basically these are just great viewer incentives and rewards to basically support you and your channel. So honestly, just having these options like ads, bits, cheerings, and subs are such a great incentive to want to hit Twitch affiliate, but hitting Twitch affiliate is kind of difficult. And if you're new to streaming, I've created this course that's going to hold your hand step by step and teach you everything that you need to know in this little course package, and it comes with this animated overlay package for free. So if you want, you can check out the course, which I have linked in the description down below. But if you're balling on a budget, I'm going to also leave this playlist to the side of me right here, and that's going to teach you how to grow your stream from scratch. It's not going to go as in depth, but it is a free option for all my friends balling on a budget. But go watch that playlist or take the course. My name's Cody, and I will see you in the next one.